Doctors, dietitians, and even government officials have been warning us about trans fats for more than a decade now. Yet many people are still unaware how detrimental these man-made fats are to our health, even in small amounts. In this lesson, I hope to help you better understand these fats and what you need to know in order to better avoid them in your daily diet. Trans fats are artificially created by pumping hydrogen into liquid vegetable oil to make them hydrogenated. Food manufacturers like to use trans fats because it gives their foods a longer shelf life, they're cheaper to produce, and they provide a very tasty product. While that is great for food companies, it can spell disaster to our health. Trans fats are considered one of the worst ingredients ever produced because of its effects on our health. Trans fats can actually raise the bad LDL cholesterol and lower the good HDL cholesterol. This is the exact opposite of what you want to have happen. No other type of fat causes these effects, which can significantly increase your risk for heart disease and stroke. The safest advice for trans fats? Avoid it completely. Even small amounts of it can have harmful health effects. So how can you better avoid trans fats? By reading food labels. Nutrition facts labels have been listing trans fats since 2006. But here's the crazy part. You can't trust the trans fat section of a food label. That's because food companies who use trans fats are actually allowed to list 0 grams on their label as long as their product contains less than 0.5 grams per labeled serving. Here's an example. Notice that 0 grams of trans fat is shown on this product's nutrition facts panel. However, this product does indeed contain trans fat. So how do I know that? Remember, food companies are required by law to list everything their products contain in the ingredients list. So when you learn what ingredients actually mean trans fat, you can easily spot them. To spot a trans fat, we're looking for the words partially hydrogenated in the ingredients list. Therefore, if you see those words listed anywhere in the ingredients list, the product contains trans fat, even if the label says 0 grams per serving. Now, one more point I want you to know. When you see partially hydrogenated in the ingredients list, it does not matter which type of vegetable oil follows, because all partially hydrogenated oils are trans fats, regardless of the type of oil that's used. Like added sugars, it's almost impossible to completely remove trans fats from your diet. While food manufacturers have cut back on their use of trans fats in recent years, you'll still find them littering grocery store shelves and at restaurants and fast food joints where trans fats are a little more easily hidden. Remember, to avoid these unhealthy fats from your diet, it's imperative that you read the list of ingredients on everything you eat. All oils that are partially hydrogenated are unhealthy trans fats. So put the product back and find something healthier. Your heart and overall health will thank you.